All right, call it. We are now moving at 1.6 meters per second. Call it. Call the lift. This is now 1.6 meters per second. That's the speed we are moving at. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, that is the top floor. So what you are doing now, you are going to send the lift down, and then you call it back up here. Okay. Okay, send it down. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, okay, call it. Just a minute. Can you hang it on there? Just hang it on. I think just, you want to do one more time? Okay, one more time. Bottom. All right, up. All right, that marks the end of the movement. So what does it mean? I'm going to put it on inspection, and then I drive down, and then I come out. Okay, there we go. No.